Richardson, and we have a patient here on whom we're going to do some PRP. So what exactly is PRP? PRP is nothing but platelet-rich plasma. So we've taken the patient's own blood and we've done a centrifuge. We've got the plasma separated in the platelets, and now we're going to inject this. So what's the main advantage? The main advantage is it stimulates hair follicles to grow more and also prevents hair loss. So now this is the area that we're going to give. So the first step is to give a block, so it can hurt a little bit. So this is a daycare procedure, and a hair clinic patients, if they see the dermatologist and if there's a need, we then start them on PRP. A lot of our patients that undergo hair transplantation also go through PRP and laser. These treatments help to make sure that more follicles grow quickly and also the retentive capacity is higher.
Only the light
wait பண்ணுவோம்.
இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கா? இப்போ இருந்தா?
இல்ல.
இந்த இங்க
So injecting PRP the other week. It's very essential to do it pick up, especially when we're doing hair transplantation. What are you doing that color? So I'm just checking. Pain now, okay. I'm going to do injection report. Siapa pindah buat coba keren? Pindah. You go block next time. Charge lagi mesti. 5 minutes wait. Get ready to go to the